In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple photos in one LinkedIn post on mobile. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Look for the plus icon that lets you create a post. Depending on your app version, it may appear at the bottom of the screen or up in the top right corner. Tap it to start a new post. You'll see several options for what you can share, like text, photos or images, documents, events, celebrations, jobs, and services. Since we're focusing on uploading multiple photos, tap the image icon at the bottom. Your photo gallery will open. Now tap all the images you want to include in this post. You can select more than one by tapping each photo you want. You'll see a small check mark appear as you select them, confirming they're included. Take a moment to choose the best shots that tell your story clearly. When you're done selecting, tap the Confirm button at the bottom to continue. Next, you'll get tools to fine-tune your photos before posting. Here, you can crop each image to highlight the most important part, adjust color and filters for a consistent look, and add text overlays if you want to label or emphasize something. You can also tag people and write a short description for a specific photo if it helps provide context. Feel free to explore these options. They can make your post more polished and easier to understand. When your edits look good, tap Next. This takes you back to the main post screen where you can add your thoughts in the caption. Consider explaining what the photos show, why they matter, or any key takeaway you want your audience to remember. Clear, concise text helps your connections engage with your post and understand the story your images are telling. Once everything is set, tap Post. Your LinkedIn post with multiple photos will be published to your account. After it's live, you can check the post to make sure the images display the way you expect and that your caption reads well. And that's how to add multiple photos to a LinkedIn post on mobile. It's quick, simple, and a great way to share updates, highlights, or a visual narrative in a single post. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.